Yeah guys, this is my truck. Got all the exhaust in now. Sounds great. I'm going to show it to you. Let's come back here. It's running so much better and so good. Guys, don't worry about the strapping. I'm going to be changing that later on. I just did that for now to get it up and to run this thing. It sounds absolutely, it sounds so smooth. Listen to this. And now it's time to do an oil change. I got to take the brake-in oil out, put the regular oil in now. So thanks for watching, guys. This has been a lot of fun. I love this truck. It runs. Sounds great. All right. I'll see you guys later. Bye.